We figure this is a great opportunity before they go to high school to let them experience what we do as firefighters. We are doing a day of bringing the middle schools out to see what it's like to be a firefighter. I love it. I love it. They're so excited. It brings me up. It brings all the other firefighters we have up. They just want to do this, and it's great to see that. We started this partnership with Tempe Elementary School District so that we can do this several times a year. Our plan is to do this twice a year, once in the fall and then again in the springtime, so that we can get all of the schools out and as many students as we can, let them see what this is like. At this age, they don't know. They're still learning, trying to figure out who they are as individuals, let alone what they want to be when they grow up. They all seem so engaged. They have such great questions. I just love to see who wants to do this. A lot of people don't know what we do, and it's great to see and share what we do with these individuals. I love the fact that the schools are bringing such diverse people out. So it's great for me. I love it for recruitment, and I'm hoping I see a whole bunch of future firefighters out here.